is আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি.
Where are you from?
Hello.
Where are you from?
From Cambodia.
Cambodia. Okay,
I'm from Cambodia.
just I am from Bangladesh. Do you know our country Bangladesh? Next to India, close to India.
Yes.
Yeah, of course.
Yes.
Already I have followed you. Followed you. Yeah. What time is it now? What time is it now? In your country?
10 p.m.
Oh, at night. 10 p.m. at night. Really?
Yes.
Oh, just here in our country Bangladesh, 2:15 p.m. at noon. Yeah, 2:15. There are many difference. Difference. Sure. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Different 1 hour.
1 hour. Okay. Just have you eaten supper? Supper at night? Eating something?
Bread.
Eating something? Yeah.
Yes. Already. No.
Oh. May I ask you some questions about yourself? Little questions.
I don't understand.
Yeah. What is your favorite hobby? Your favorite hobby?
Oh, wait. I know English much well. I don't know.
Oh, you can speak English little bit. English speaking style little bit.
Yeah.
Sure. Oh, okay. Please.
Yes.
I am helping
I
you.
speak it.
Please. Listen. Your country Cambodia.
Yes.
Cambodia. And our country
Yes.
Bangladesh. Here you are watching two words. Cambodia.
Washing?
Two words. Cambodia and our country Bangladesh. Your country. I am sharing an important lesson. Basic English grammar. Syllable. Cambodia. How many parts are there? Cambodia? 3.
Cambodia.
3 parts. We can divide your country into 3 parts. Cambodia. And our country Bangladesh, we can divide also 3 parts. Bangladesh. I am giving you definition of syllable. Do you know what is syllable? Do you know basic English grammar? It is simple. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, just
I don't know.
one part.
I translate, okay.
One part of the word is called syllable. Just for example, Cambodia. Just one part. One part of the word is called syllable. There are 4 kinds of syllables. Just monosyllable, disyllable, trisyllable, and polysyllable. Just for example, this is a pen. This is a pen we cannot break. It is difficult to break. Just this is called pen. Monosyllable, pen, book, etc. But English, we can divide also the word into 2 parts. English. Okay. And your country, Cambodia. Your country, please listen. Your country, Cambodia, into 3 parts. 3 parts. Just this is called trisyllable. Tri means Cambodia.
English Philippines.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Your country,
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh,
Three parts. Three parts. Three parts.
Kulom.
Three parts. Bangladesh also three parts.
Kulom.
Yeah, yeah. Just another example. International, another word. I am sharing another word. International. I am showing you. International. Please look. We can divide the word. How many parts are there? International. How many parts? Five. Five parts. Five. International. Five parts. Okay, clear? Have you understood what is syllable? Have you understood what is syllable? This is simple. I think that you have got so much benefit from me. Just another questions I am asking you. How do you pass your free time every single day? How do you pass your every single day? Free time. How do you pass? By sleeping. Most of the time you pass. By sleeping. Oh, wow. But most of the time I pass my free time by reading books. What is this? By reading books and teaching my students. I am teaching my students and I am learning English. Basically, I am a private teacher. English teacher. English and mathematics, 2 subjects. I teach my students. Reading books, which is my favorite hobby. I like to read all kinds of books to read all time. It is my habit. Oh, what is your name? Will you tell me? What is your name? Oh, just this is Zakariaspokenenglishworld. Zakariaspokenenglishworld. Yeah. How old are you? Hossain. Yeah. How old are you? Hossain.
I'm 43 years old.
40? Yeah.
43 years old.
How old are you? I am asking you. How old are you? Age.
43.
Oh, I am 30. 30. 30. I am 30.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, have you visited our country? Have you ever visited our country, Bangladesh? Have you ever visited?
Yes. Bangladesh. আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি।
How are you? What is this? Yeah, I think that you can speak Bangla. This is our Bengali language. It is our mother tongue.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
I look Japan. Bangladesh Kulam.
Oh, okay. Oh, just I am very interested to learn Cambodian language. Will you teach me your mother tongue? Cambodian language. Will you teach me? Oh, okay,
Yes,
just I am
I
asking.
teach you.
How are you? This sentence, how do you say in Cambodian language? How are you? This sentence, how do you say?
Come on, Asho.
Yeah. Really?
Come on, Asho.
কেমন আছো? আমি ভালো আছি।
Hello, Asho. Yes.
Oh, no, I am asking. You speak English, your mother tongue. English or Bengali? Your mother tongue. মাতৃভাষা মাতৃভাষা
Yes.
মাতৃভাষা ইংলিশ আর বেঙ্গলি
Mattress.
মাদার টান yeah what is your name what is her name
Serena.
oh yeah
Serena.
okay how many kids do you have how many kids do you have
No, no kid. No kid. Kid my sister.
oh sorry I am extremely sorry okay I have yeah
My kid big. My kid big study 12 class, 9 class, 6 class.
oh
Big.
just I have taken idea wrong information just I have understood that your kids is talking to you okay sorry I am extremely sorry
Yeah. Yes.
oh, how many brothers do you have how many brothers
Two brother.
two brothers also we have two brothers and one
Yes.
sister we are three brothers and sisters I am the youngest of all little ekdom little okay oh, just I am very interested to learn Cambodian language your mother tongue do you know what is mother tongue do you know your mother tongue our mother tongue Bengali
Mother tongue.
our mother tongue আমরা বাংলায় কথা বলি this sentence is called our mother tongue আমরা বাংলায় কথা বলি just as you your mother tongue English your mother tongue English
I don't know.
okay just
know English.
okay just I am asking just two questions what is your future plan of life what do you want to do in future your future plan of